Before I met Gabby, I was lost. I had no self worth and I had no value for my life at all. Gabby came into my life and helped me understand what I had been through was really serious and had changed my life, and that my feelings and my thoughts and my emotions were valid. And I hadn't had that before. She helped me understand that I had childhood trauma, which I didn't know. And she helped me work my way through the chains that had been wrapped around me so badly for such a long time. I was in a severe state of fear, and I was scared of every day. I didn't know how to live and I didn't know how to be myself. And she took her time with me. She understood and she made me feel very safe in opening up and talking to her about my true self and my true vulnerabilities that I'd never done before. I'd never spoken to anyone about this apart from just friends, never a professional person in that type of way. Gabby has nourished my brain, my soul, my mind, my body, everything. And now I can say, after just 3 months, I've turned my life around from her coaching, and now I am excited in the day. I work out, I look after myself, I eat better quality food, and I value my existence so much more than I ever did. She's helped me understand that I can get anything I want, that my world is open for me to receive and retrieve anything that I wish, and that all these goals I've had and all these dreams I've had my whole life are accessible to me, and I deserve them, and they are there. I just need to reach them. And this is something that I now practice every single day since. And, not only will that affect me, but it affects everybody else around me. And it has such a beautiful domino effect on everyone and my future. And that is such a beautiful thing. I think we live in a very challenging world now where every day seems to be very negative and full of difficulty. And we're told that we're so limited with this, with finance, with our goals, with our dreams and our aspirations. We're always told that negative things about the stuff that you truly want to do and the things that you truly desire, and you don't need to think like that. You don't deserve to think like that. And this is exactly what Gabby has done to my mindset, and I'm so excited about my future. I know that I'm capable, and I know that now I can grasp everything that I wish in my life, and that's because Gabby has done that for me and can do it for you. I cannot recommend her enough. She has become a very good friend of mine now, and is just one of the most beautiful, incredible people I've ever met. And now you can get that. You can wake up and feel beautiful and feel all these wonderful emotions about yourself that you should have always felt. But Gabby will remind you of that and teach you that, and it will become a core value of yours every single day.